everyone, my name is Shalima and welcome back to my another session of learning English and improving your English speaking skills with me. So hey future English speakers, are you tired of feeling nervous every time you try to speak English, or maybe you just don't have the time or money to take expensive language courses? If that's you, then today is your lucky day. Alright, because what if I told you that there is an amazing free way to practice your English right now without paying a single money, and the best part, you are already using it every day. Yes, I am talking about social media. Did you know that social media is one of the most powerful tools for improving your English? Sounds too good to be true, right? So well, today I am going to show you exactly how you can use social media to practice, learn and speak English fluently without spending any money. So are you ready to turn your daily social media time into English practice time? I'll give you all the tips, tricks and strategies you need to become confident in your English, one post at a time. So let's get started. So before beginning, please subscribe to the channel so that you can get all the lessons that I post for you on this channel. So now the big question, why social media works for learning English? Now let's dive in. Coming back to today's lesson, why does social media work so well for learning English? So here's why. Social media is full of real life English. You will read posts, tweets and messages written by native speakers and learners. And you will start picking up expressions and phrases that are actually used in everyday conversation. And it's nothing like the boring textbook stuff. These are real conversation full of slangs, emojis and casual phrases that will help you to understand how people really speak. So one of the coolest things about social media is that you get instant feedback. Let's say you comment on a post or reply to a story in English. Native speakers or other learners might reply to you, and you can see if your English is good. This helps you correct mistakes quickly and learn from them. Alright, so when you post or comment in English, this is also a good question. So you are actively using the language. You will feel more motivated because you are not just studying, you are participating. It's a fun, social way to practice. It's free. Social media platforms like Instagram, Facebook, Twitter, TikTok give you 24/7 access to content in English, and you don't have to pay a thing. You can access content in any niche you are interested in. So whether it's cooking, travel, fitness or even memes, and it's all in English. Alright? Now the question arises in our mind that what can you do on social media to practice English? Right? So what exactly can you do on social media to improve your English? Well, I have got you covered with simple, fun and effective strategies. What you can do is follow English speaking accounts. Start by following accounts that post content in English. These could be popular Instagram influencers, Twitter profiles from English speaking countries, and Facebook pages about your hobbies or interests. YouTube channels you love, including mine. Okay, so please let me know in the comment section whether you like my channel or not. If you like, please give thumbs up. Now, why is this so effective? Because when you engage with content in English, you start to notice patterns in how language is used. When learn new vocabulary, get familiar with sentence structures and pick up useful expressions. Now guys, here I am going to give you one solid example. Okay, imagine you love cooking. You could follow popular food bloggers on Instagram like Jamie Oliver or Tasty. Every time they post a recipe, you are not only seeing food related vocabulary but also learning how to describe things in English. For instance, you might see the word saute, chop, or which are common in recipes. So the more you read, the more words you pick up. Alright, try Sparky AI, because now I know some of you might be thinking, how can I practice all of this when I don't have anyone to talk? So that's where technology comes in to help. I recently discovered Sparky AI, and this is an amazing English speaking app where beginners and advanced learners can practice speaking anytime, anywhere, and you don't need a partner. Just open the app and start speaking. It gives instant feedback on your pronunciation, fluency, and even grammar mistakes. So, what makes it special? Let me tell you guys, it helps you speak English without fear by giving you real time corrections through interactive conversations. Okay, and the best part of this is it's completely beginner friendly. So if you are serious about improving your spoken English, download Sparky AI and make it your daily practice buddy. All right, now guys, here I'm going to show you a short demo of Sparky AI. All right.
Introducing Sparky, your voice first AI friend for building spoken English fluency. Sparky is a friendly fox you can speak in English with even if you don't speak well. Each conversation is designed to give you practice on specific language concepts or topics relevant to your life. Sparky keeps the conversation going so it never gets boring and helps and supports learners.
So if you are serious about improving your spoken English, download Sparky AI and make it your daily practice buddy. Now here I would like to give you example number 2. Okay, so let's say you follow travel influencers who share photos and videos of beautiful places around the world. You will learn words like destination, explore, adventure, and phrases like off the beaten path or hidden gem. This is a real vocabulary the speakers use when they talk about the places. And by following accounts that post about things you love, you will make English feel more natural and fun. Alright, so don't just scroll, engage. One of the most effective way to practice English on social media is by commenting on posts. So here's how you can get started. Let me tell you, write simple comments in English like this looks delicious or great idea. Ask question like how long did it take you to make this, or what's the best ingredient for this recipe. Okay, so agree or disagree with this something in respectful way. For instance, I totally agree with this tip, or I tried this once but I would add more salt. The key here is practice. Okay, each comment you write in English is a mini exercise to improve your writing and vocabulary. All right, so you can use stories and captions to practice writing. Instagram, Facebook, and even WhatsApp all have a features called stories where you can post photos or videos for 24 hours. It's the perfect opportunity to practice English. So here's how. Let me tell you, share a photo of your day and write caption in English by yourself. For example, I'm having lunch at a cafe in my city or working on a new project today. Okay, so now record short videos talking about your day in English. Even if it's just a few sentences, you are practicing speaking. So don't worry about making mistakes. The more you practice it, better you will get. Alright, now guys, let me tell you one more thing. You can join English speaking groups and communities. If you are not already in English speaking groups, it's time to join some. Find groups on Facebook, Reddit, or even on Instagram where people are chatting in English. These could be like language learning groups where you can just talk to others who are, learning English. Hobby based groups like book clubs, travels, communities, or fitness challenges. Engaging with people in these groups help you learn natural in English, and you will get used to how people type, speak, and express themselves online. Okay, and guys, I would like to tell you one more thing. Watch videos with subtitles and practice listening. One of the best way to improve listening skills is by watching videos in English on platform like YouTube. Start with videos that have subtitles so you can read while listening, and this way you will connect spoken words with written English. Who, why, Alright, now let me share a real story about one of my viewer, Sophia. She came to me asking how can I speak English like a native without spending money. So she was worried about her English skills because she lived in non-English speaking country, I too, and she didn't have enough money for private lessons. But then she decided to give social media a try. Sophia started following English speaking pages on Instagram and Facebook. She joined a few groups about English learners and she began commenting on posts every day, as I suggested her to do the comments on each post. Slowly, she started reading more posts in English and even posted her own stories in English. Now, let me tell you why did this work. Because Sophia was consistent. She practiced every day, even if it was just commenting or sharing her thoughts on post. She interacted with native speakers, asked questions and learned from the responses. Over time, her writing and speaking improved and now she feels confident enough to speaking English with anyone. Alright guys, so I am going to advise you, please just don't waste your time on scrolling the pages. Go and do the practice. So what's stopping you from using social media to improve your English? You don't need fancy lessons or expensive apps. All you need is your phone and a willingness to practice. You can speak English confidently by making social media your personal language learning tool. Alright guys, because this is the era where we are using the social media platforms, alright, for everything. Follow English accounts and learn about more things. Comment and engage with others in English. Use stories and captions to practice writing and speaking. You can join groups, interact and learn from other English learners and native speakers. Watch videos, read captions and improve listening. Remember guys, the more you practice, the better you will get. Alright, because I always tell you in my videos, in my videos that do the practice. Start your English today. Don't procrastinate it. Okay, start your journey today because you want to improve your English, right? So guys, that's it for today's video. If you like this video, so don't forget to like and share and subscribe for more free tips. Alright, because let me know in the comment section, how do you use social media to practice English? I would love to hear your stories and ideas. Until next time, so keep practicing and soon you will be speaking English like a pro guys. So thanks for watching. Bye bye, take care.